Alright, today I got my first ever raw 2018 Ram 2500. Greenlight, $7.99 at Hobby Lobby. I'll explain why I think that's funny in a little bit. So yeah, pretty cool truck, Goodyear. So I think it's funny that I paid $7.99 because I paid $5 for this thing. I paid $5. Because I wanted this truck, this Ultra Red. He had this also, and I had my Corvette Super Treasure Hunt that he wanted. So I was like, I'll trade you the Ultra Red, this, and $25 for that truck. And he's like, sure, whatever. So obviously we're gonna open this. I feel too bad because it cost me $5, which is less than a Hot Wheels Premium is at the store. Handy knife that I've had forever. I got this for free at a yard sale one time. 2018 Ram 2500. Boom. Little tow hook. It's kind of neat, made out of metal. I don't think anything opens on this, but it does have good front details, side details. I have no idea what that Goodyear thing says. It's got all the markings of a real truck. The bed, really wide right there, but I guess that's how the actual truck is. Number 118 of however many were made. So that's pretty cool. Probably should have checked to see if it was number 1 or something before I opened it. Yep, Ram 2500. Very cool. Quick little video. Thank you, I guess, for watching. I'll put this up in my Carney case. But yeah, thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.